Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Silvano Evo espresso machine by Quick Mill. This machine just needs the relay to be replaced as well. The relay to be replaced and the PID as well, because it was kind of making sure it was not displaying correctly and it was not controlling the temperature at all. It was barely getting any warmer, so right now the machine is working perfectly fine. Definitely needs a tune up, but customer declined over the phone, so but it's working. Steamer is working perfectly good, and as well as occasion espresso. Put it a little bit too fine in there, but as you can see, good color, good water flow, good crema. And it's working good. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.